Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you have a BMW X1, guys, you have problems with your Vanos solenoids and you need to know where the Vanos solenoids are located, intake, exhaust Vanos solenoid, how to remove and replace them as well. In addition, guys, we'll share two very helpful details that can, guys, teach you, we'll explain. We'll have videos how to test them, how to clean them, so I'm going to talk about that as we go. Make sure to stay with us until the very end, guys. One thing, guys, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing that free information. If you need to buy new Vanos solenoids, replacement parts too, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. So please, guys, check it out for your convenience. This is, guys, the N52 engine. So if you have a X1 with a 6-cylinder, N52, N53, N54 engine, guys, the video should be helpful and you should be able to locate and replace your Vanos solenoids because almost everything will be identical. We have the front end completely removed, that way we can show you with great detail where things are. Another thing, guys, as you can see, that same engine has been used in BMW 3 Series, X3, X5, 5 Series, 1 Series and X1, guys. One of the most popular engines built by BMW. This is our main channel, how to repair, guys. If you have that BMW, we have quite a few repair videos, guys, on BMW N52 engine. We have helped more than 69 million people. So please subscribe, guys. I guarantee you that that channel will save you quite a bit of money on future repairs. So facing the engine now, this is the front of your engine right here. Okay, check it out. Now you have two solenoids, those are your Vanos solenoids. But how do you know, guys, which of these solenoid is Vanos intake and Vanos exhaust? Pretty simple. The intake is on the right side of your engine because you have, right here, on the right side is the intake, on the left side is the exhaust, that's your exhaust system down there. So the solenoid that's more to the right is the intake one. The top one is intake, the bottom is exhaust. Now, we'll explain if you have problems with those, how you may not even need to replace them. Make sure you stay with us, guys, until the end. Now, we need to disconnect the wiring harness. We'll demonstrate on the intake Vanos solenoid, but the exhaust will be everything exactly the same. You need to press that metal piece down. And while you push it down, disconnect it, just like that. Then you need to go ahead, you leak some oil out when you remove it. Go ahead and remove the bolt that holds that Vanos solenoid. In most cases it's either 10mm or it's a reverse Torx like this one, and we'll share the link in the description of the video below. Bolt is out. Now make sure that wipe everything you can around it, make sure it's clean and you don't have dust, oil, leaks, and dirt, because it will end up going in the engine. This is the Vanos solenoid. Very important, that O-ring sometimes may be really stuck and may stay here. So if it's stuck here, guys, it's super important that what you actually do, you need to go ahead from the inside to the outside, gently pull it out and be careful not to drop it inside your engine. This is the Vanos, guys. We have a video that explains how to clean those, because sometimes a dirty solenoid may act like a bad solenoid, and we'll have a video how to test them. I'll put, guys, the links in the description of the video below, so definitely, guys, check it out. We do all that to save you guys as much money as we can. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link as well. Putting it together is practically in reverse order. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.